Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffanyyandrea, and I just wanted to share this wig that I picked up from my local beauty supply store. It's Organique U-part wig in the style natural yaky straight and 14 inches. So this U-part wig is a mesh cap, which means it's super comfortable. It has 3 combs at the top and 1 comb in the back with 2 adjustable straps on the sides. It also has non-slip silicone strips, which means your wig will not be sliding anywhere. So this is how I braid my hair for my U-part wigs. Super simple and super easy. First, I figure out how much hair I want to leave out, and then for the rest, I just braid straight back. Then I tuck in the ends of my hair, and that's it. Alright, let's go ahead and put this beautiful wig on. By the way, this is in a color number 2. I normally get the color 1B, but that was out of stock, so I got number 2, which actually worked out perfectly fine. So right now I'm using the 3 combs on the top. Actually, I only use the 2 combs on the side. The comb that's in the middle, I actually don't use that. So I do use the comb that's in the back just to make sure everything is nicely in place. Look how beautiful this wig is. Oh my gosh. So I have had this wig for about 3 weeks. I have went running in this wig, which I actually do not suggest doing, only because it kind of like makes it smell a little bit. So I would not go running in it, but you can cover it up with hairspray. Anyways, so I have had this wig on for 3 weeks. So many compliments. No one can tell that it's not my hair, which I freaking love. That is the whole point of me getting U-part wigs. Alright, so now I'm just going to show you all how I blend in my hair with the wig. And like I said, I normally get 1B, but I feel like this number 2 is almost kind of perfect. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the color matching. So right now I'm just showing you all that I cover each side of the wig equally, both sides and the back, making sure you cannot see the wig at all. Look how it just blends in with this wig. So if you are new to my channel, I just wanted to say that I do have relaxed hair. So blending my hair with straight hair is super easy. For the natural ladies out there, you can blend in your hair, but I would not apply heat to your hair every single day. If you have to apply a lot of heat to your hair to blend in with weave or a wig, do not do it, because I was natural at one point and I would try to blend my hair with straight hair and I got heat damage. So I just wanted to say that really quick. OMG, I sounded so out of breath when I said that. Anyways, look how cute this is. It looks so cute and feminine. I feel like this cut is so perfect for the summertime. By the way, when I do U-part wigs, I normally leave out some of my hair in the front on the sides. But this time I decided to braid everything back. I am trying to protect as much of my real hair as I possibly can. Even though I have relaxed hair, I still try to protect my relaxed hair from using a bunch of heat. By the way, I have been thinking about going back natural, which is a whole nother video that I need to give you guys some details because I don't know what to do with my real hair. So I'm gonna have to catch up with you guys because I have been leaving my subscribers hanging. I feel like the last video I posted was probably like 4 or 5 months ago. So I owe you guys like a chit chat type of hair video. And if you have been following my journey, then you would know I started off with long relaxed hair, and then I had to cut my hair mainly because I ended up getting braids, and I ended up cutting my real hair when I was taking out my braids. So if you have been following me, then you know that when I got my hair cut, it was last year. And to be honest, I have not been happy with my hair ever since I got that haircut. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. By the way, this wig was $30, but I feel like you could find it cheaper online. And if so, I will put that in the description box. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will not leave you hanging for a long period of time next time, and I will catch you all later.